Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. The acceleration of a particle as it moves along a straight line is given by a equals 2t minus 1 in meters per second squared, where t is in seconds. If s equals 1 meter and v equals 2 meters per second when t equals 0, determine the particle's velocity and position when t equals 6 seconds. Also determine the total distance the particle travels during this time period. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Since acceleration equals the time derivative of velocity, we separate variables and integrate both sides. The left side goes from the initial velocity to v, and the right side goes from 0 to t. Our initial condition tells us the velocity starts at 2 meters per second. Integrating both sides, we get v minus 2 equals t squared minus t. Adding 2 to both sides gives the velocity function. V of t equals t squared minus t plus 2. Plugging in, t equals 6 seconds, 36 minus 6 plus 2 equals 32 meters per second. Now we integrate the velocity function to find position. Velocity equals ds over dt, so we separate variables again and integrate both sides. The initial position is 1 meter at time 0. Integrating t squared minus t plus 2 gives t cubed over 3 minus t squared over 2 plus 2t. Adding the initial position of 1 meter gives the full position function. At t equals 6 seconds, 72 minus 18 plus 12 plus 1 equals 67 meters. To compute total distance, we must check if the particle ever stops and reverses. We set the velocity equal to 0 and apply the quadratic formula with a equals 1, b equals negative 1, and c equals 2. The discriminant is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 2, which equals 1 minus 8, giving negative 7. A negative discriminant means there are no real solutions. Since the velocity at time 0 is positive and the function never crosses 0, the particle always moves in the positive direction throughout the entire interval. Since the particle never reverses, total distance equals the magnitude of the net displacement. The initial position is 1 meter and the final position is 67 meters, giving a total distance of 66 meters. To summarize, at t equals 6 seconds, the velocity is 32 meters per second, the position is 67 meters, and the total distance traveled over the 6-second interval is 66 meters. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.